In order to export a PDF file, what you can do is you can simply go to File right here, and then you can go to Save As right here. So let me just go to Save As, and over here I'm going to browse onto my desktop, and here in Save As type I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose PDF. So once I do that, you can see that if I want to publish it online, I can select minimum size, or I can select standard publishing and online printing. So I'm going to choose minimum size because I want it to share online, and I can go into option right here, and you can see that I can choose whether to save just the current page, the current view, and or if I want to select all of the pages right here. So I'm going to select all, and I can also choose whether to include the background or not right here, and if I want to include document properties or structure tags right here. So I can also enable the ISO for the PDF right here. So I'm just going to save that out, and I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to save it out in my document right here. So once I do that, you can see that I have my PDF folder right here. So it is my PDF with the settings that I chose. So I can simply close it out. You can see that I have also option to export it as a PDF right here. So you can see that on the export there's PDF and XPS. So I can create PDF or XPS right here, and you get the same option to publish the PDF file. So that is how you can export PDF by using Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.